are located now in Sukhumvit Soi 11, near famous nightclubs, and here is the Prime 11 condominium. This condominium is very popular. Actually, we at Remax Condo D sell a lot of properties, and it's very popular for foreign people. Maybe it's one of the very few condominiums in Bangkok where foreigner freehold quota is a little bit a problem because so many foreigners live here. We are located in one of the most noisy and crowded areas of Bangkok, near BTS Nana. There are several main sois here. Soi 11 is famous for the restaurants and nightclubs. Soi 8, it's a quiet soi with higher rank restaurants and some nice quiet condominiums. This direction we have Soi 4 and Soi 3. Soi 4, it's a soi where is Nana Plaza located. It's more entertainment oriented area. Soi 3, just a few hundred meters from here, it's a soi where Bumrungrad International Hospital is located. Sukhumvit Soi 11, near famous nightclubs, and here is the Prime 11 condominium. This condominium is very popular. Actually, we at Remax Condo D sell a lot of properties, and it's very popular for foreign people. Maybe it's one of the very few condominiums in Bangkok where foreigner freehold quota is a little bit a problem because so many foreigners live here. Next to Prime 11 is Hyde 11, a new condominium that was just built a couple of years ago. It's much more expensive, and from other side it's Aloft Hotel, a popular hotel, 4-star hotel. The Prime 11 condominium was built in 2009. It's a high-rise condominium, 31 floors, and it's more than 200 apartments in this condominium. Apartments start from studio up to 4 bedroom and penthouse, and rooms, the minimum size is 35 square meter, while the biggest units are few hundred square meter. Prices in the Prime 11 are about 30 to 35% higher than average in Bangkok, and as I say already, it's a very popular condominium, especially for foreigners. The Prime 11 condominium was built by Fragnan Property Public Company. This company focus on building properties in the very center of Bangkok. They have one more condominium, Circle Sukhumvit 11, just 100 meters from here. Two condominiums in Phetchaburi connected to Nana. It's Circle Condominium and Circle 2 Living Prototype, and two low-rise condominiums in Sukhumvit Soi 12. The Prime 11 condominium, located only 300 meters from Sukhumvit, from BTS Nana, And rental prices here are 30 to 35% higher than average in Bangkok, but still quite affordable, especially taking into account a very central location. This condominium is very popular for people, especially foreigners, who enjoy living in the midst of nightlife. Many restaurants are available here in the distance of just few tens meters. We will be very happy if you interested in this condominium. We have a choice of units here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to push a like button. This way you will get more notifications about properties in Bangkok and good deals here.